Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Respected community members, Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The beautiful month of Ramadan has arrived. As the Prophet said, وَهُوَ شَهْرٌ دُعِيتٌ فِيهِ إِلَى زِيَافَةِ اللَّهِ. It is a month in which you have been called to the banquet of Allah, the month of blessing, the month of mercy, and the month of forgiveness. On this very auspicious month, full of bounties, where every breath is tasbih, and to sleep in this month is an act of worship, I congratulate each and every one of you as we welcome this month. The World Federation announced 1444 as the year of the Holy Quran. Every initiative has been made to make this a Quranic year where awareness of the Quran, from recitation to pondering, and from pondering to preserving the values of the Holy Quran in the communities. Since the launch of the Quranic year, we embarked upon many initiatives, including the recent publication of this book, Tafsir Tadabbur al-Quran, which is a profound work in English, and the entire Quran. This is the 30th juz, and the objective is to have the tafsir written in English in a unique way for the entire Quran over a period of time, inshallah. Together with that, the World Federation is also launching very shortly the Unified Quran Curriculum, the global curriculum by the Madrasa Center of Excellence. Quranic screens are encouraged in Masajid and Imam Marga, where you have a screen with constant changes and verses of the Holy Quran that you see in front of your eyes that covers the entire spectrum of the Quran. Various Quranic competitions and quiz have been held online. Inshallah ta'ala, this year, the International Quranic Competition will also be launched by the World Federation, and you need to watch out this first, inshallah, shortly. As we plunge into this month of mercy, I have a humble request for the community. As we ponder into the verses, let us ponder on the verses of unity, of brotherhood, and unifying our ranks, particularly where there are differences. We are all one family, and the Quran says, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold fast the rope of Allah and do not disunite. Where there are differences and where reconciliation is required, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةً. Indeed, mu'mineen are brothers of each other. فَأَصْلِحُوا بَيْنَ أَخْوَيْكُمْ. So reconcile between brothers. We, the Khoja Shia Ishrashi Muslim community, pride in ourselves, in our structures, in our unified Jamaats that are the core of the grassroots membership, where the regions are the parental body that support our Jamaats, and where the World Federation is the thread of the rosary that connects the regions and the Jamaats all together. Each region has its own needs, spiritual needs and temporal. We are strong in our diversity and we encourage that. But what connects us together is the common good in our joint motto of we exist to serve. We exist to serve our community. We exist to serve the most vulnerable within our community, within the wider Shia community, within the wider Muslim community, and if opportunity comes, within the entire humanity. This is what we have done for over a century. And our forefathers have already set that standard. And I have no doubt that we will continue until the arrival of Imam Ajjalallah Ta'ala Faraj al-Sharif. Let us take the opportunity of this month by reflecting on how we can collectively strengthen the community through the teaching of the Holy Quran in this season of the Holy Quran, as propounded and taught to us by the Ahlul Bayt Salamullah Ajmain. Let us also not forget those who are most vulnerable, who benefit from your donations to Ramadan relief, who are very vulnerable and need every support of ours, inshallah ta'ala. Please remember us in your du'as in this month, as we promise to remember all of you in this holy month of Ramadan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.